In the realm of interior design, the integration of natural elements has become a prominent trend. One of the most captivating ways to bring nature indoors is through the use of moss walls. These living art installations not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of modern interiors, but also contribute to improved air quality and overall well-being. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will explore the concept of indoor moss walls, their benefits, and a plethora of creative decoration ideas that can transform any space into a serene and stylish environment. So watch the video until the end to see our today's content and get inspiration. What is an indoor moss wall? An indoor moss wall is a vertical garden that features various types of moss, often mounted on a frame or directly onto a wall. Unlike traditional gardens, moss walls do not require soil, making them a low-maintenance option for adding greenery to indoor spaces. Moss can thrive in low light conditions, making it suitable for various areas in a home or office. These installations can be designed in various shapes and sizes, allowing for endless creative possibilities. Types of moss suitable for indoor walls. Reindeer moss, known for its soft texture and vibrant colors, reindeer moss is often used in artistic installations. It is lightweight and easy to work with. Sheet moss, this type of moss has a lush appearance and can cover larger areas effectively. It's commonly used for creating a full moss wall. Spanish moss, while not true moss, Spanish moss adds a unique texture and can be incorporated into designs for added depth. Mood moss, this moss has a rich green hue and provides a plush look, making it ideal for modern decor. Lichens, often used alongside moss, lichens add variety in color and texture, enhancing the overall visual appeal. Benefits of indoor moss walls. Aesthetic appeal. Moss walls serve as stunning focal points in any room. Their vibrant colors and unique textures can complement various design styles, from minimalist to bohemian. Improved air quality. Moss has natural air purifying properties. It absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, contributing to a healthier indoor environment. Sound absorption. Moss can help reduce noise levels in a space due to its sound-absorbing qualities, making it ideal for offices or busy households. Low maintenance. Unlike traditional plants, moss requires minimal care. It does not need watering or direct sunlight, making it perfect for those who may struggle with plant care. Humidity regulation. Moss walls can help regulate humidity levels in a room, making them particularly beneficial in dry climates or during winter months. Creative decoration ideas for indoor moss walls. Geometric patterns. Incorporate geometric shapes into your moss wall design to create a modern and dynamic look. Use different types of moss to add depth and contrast. For example, you could create triangles or hexagons using lighter and darker shades of green moss. Framed moss art. Frame sections of moss in shadow boxes or wooden frames to create individual pieces of art that can be hung on the wall. This approach allows you to mix different textures and colors while maintaining a clean and organized look. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in the comments section and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video of furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and stylish option preferences. Tell us what you want to explore further in this channel on our next video of the furniture design and decor ideas. For your specific needs to transform your space and create an interesting experience in your furniture pieces. Living art installation. Combine moss with other natural elements like driftwood, stones, or dried flowers to create a living art piece. This installation can be a conversation starter and adds an organic touch to your decor. Vertical garden. Transform an entire wall into a vertical garden by mixing moss with other plants such as ferns or air plants. This lush arrangement can bring life to an otherwise dull space and create a mini ecosystem indoors. Mixed media. Incorporate various materials such as metal, wood, or glass alongside your moss wall to create an eclectic design. For instance, you could mount a moss panel on a reclaimed wood backdrop for a rustic yet modern feel. Mood lighting. Integrate LED lighting into your moss wall design to highlight its features at night. Soft backlighting can create an ethereal glow, enhancing the ambience of your space. Themed designs. Create themed designs that reflect your personal style or interests. For example, if you love the ocean, consider using blue-tinted moss along with seashells and driftwood for a coastal vibe. Interactive moss wall. Design an interactive moss wall where guests can touch and feel different types of moss. This sensory experience adds an engaging element to your decor while educating visitors about the different species used. Seasonal changes. Consider creating a modular moss wall that allows you to change its design with the seasons. You could swap out certain elements or colors to reflect seasonal themes like spring blossoms or autumn leaves. Minimalist approach. For those who prefer simplicity, a minimalist moss wall featuring a single type of moss arranged in a clean pattern can be incredibly striking. This approach works well in modern spaces where less is more. Placement ideas for indoor moss walls. Living room. A moss wall in the living room can serve as a stunning focal point above a sofa or fireplace. Consider pairing it with complementary decor elements like wooden furniture or neutral-colored textiles to create a cohesive look. Office space. Incorporating a moss wall into an office setting can enhance creativity and productivity. Position it near workstations or in conference rooms to promote a calming atmosphere. Bedroom. A soft green moss wall can create a serene environment in the bedroom, promoting relaxation and tranquility. Consider placing it behind the headboard for a unique backdrop. Entryway. Make a lasting first impression by installing a moss wall in your entryway. This welcoming feature can set the tone for your home while providing guests with an immediate connection to nature. Bathroom. Moss walls can thrive in humid environments like bathrooms, making them an excellent choice for adding greenery to these spaces. Pairing it with natural stone tiles can create a spa-like atmosphere. Maintenance tips for indoor moss walls. While moss walls are relatively low maintenance, they still require some care to ensure they remain healthy and vibrant. 1. Humidity levels. Maintain humidity levels between 40% to 60%. If your home is too dry, consider using a humidifier. 2. Dusting. Gently dust the surface of the moss with a soft brush or cloth every few weeks to keep it looking fresh. 3. Avoid direct sunlight. Place your moss wall in an area with indirect light to prevent drying out or fading. 4. Watering. If using live moss, mist it lightly with water every few weeks to maintain moisture levels without oversaturating it. 5. Check for pests. Regularly inspect your moss wall for any signs of pests or mold and address any issues promptly. Indoor moss walls are more than just decorative elements. They are transformative features that bring nature indoors while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of modern interiors. With their myriad benefits and creative possibilities, these living art installations offer homeowners and designers alike an opportunity to explore new dimensions in interior design. From geometric patterns to themed designs, there are countless ways to incorporate moss walls into your home decor. Whether you're looking to create a serene retreat in your bedroom or an inspiring workspace in your office, indoor moss walls provide an innovative solution that celebrates nature's beauty while promoting well-being. As you embark on your journey to incorporate indoor moss walls into your space, remember that creativity knows no bounds. Let your imagination guide you in crafting a unique and inviting environment that reflects your personal style and appreciation for nature. Dear viewers, there you have them. Do you like today's content? If you do, please tell us what you like about them. Share us your thoughts in the comments section. And please consider subscribing the channel if you haven't already. And like and share this video to your friends and family so that it could reach wider audience. We will show you furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and uniquely transform your living spaces or office. Thank you for watching the video until the end. See you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed. In the realm of interior design, the integration of natural elements has become a prominent trend. One of the most captivating ways to bring nature indoors is through the use of moss walls. These living art installations not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of modern interiors but also contribute to improved air quality